Here's a tip that can help you find items in ToolmanageriQ. By right-clicking on a column header, you can apply a filter to search that column. You can pick an argument, and for values you have things like equal to, or greater than, and less than. And then put what you're searching for here. And everything else will be filtered out temporarily. Now, if that isn't enough to find what you're looking for, you can apply filters to multiple columns at once. Simply right-click on another column header, and this one's a text column, so you have additional arguments like whether the text's in the middle, or at the beginning, or at the end. And put what you're looking for here, and it will filter even more until you find what you're looking for. Now you can always right-click once again, and there's a button here to remove the filter from the column that you right-click, and there's also a button to remove all filters at once. Hopefully this helps you find items in the future. Thanks for watching.